A new topic is here, Lok deities and Lok Devta, we can say. Folk deities have wide influence over the people. Five male folk deities are there like Pabuji, Hadbuji, Goga, Meha and Ramdev. So Pabuji, he was 1239 AD at a Kolu village, Phalodi, Jodhpur. He was associated with Rathod clan. He is considered the deity of camel and plague. He is also considered the incarnation of Lakshman. A fair held every year चैत्र अमावस्या को इनका फेयर होता है कोलू विलेज में. He is a worship deity of the Rebari community and play मैथ फोक म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट पावड़े होते हैं इनके. सो फर्ड ऑफ द पाबूजी दैट इज़ मोस्ट फेमस फर्ड दैट इज़ रावण हत्था और बोपा होते हैं कुछ, वो प्ले करते हैं इनको. टीचिंग जो होती है दैट इज़ पाबू प्रकाश बुक है जिसमें दी हुई है, बुक रिटन बाय द मोडजी आसियान. नेम ऑफ हॉर्स इज़ द केसर कामली एंड मेहर कास्ट है जो कि म्यूजिकल मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी है, वो इनको पूछती है एज ए पीर. नाउ दूसरे हैं हडबू. He was the Budol in the Nagaur district of Rajasthan in the Sankla Rajput, that is commentary of the Rao Jodha. So he was well versed the Shagun or the Sakun Shastra, gave his teaching in the Baba Ramdev and his main temple is the Bengati village of Phalodi, that is in Jodhpur, and the temple was the Sankla Rajput हैं जो कि इनको वर्शिप करते हैं. हडबू जी की गाड़ी है, बुलोक कार्ट है. ही यूज टू सर्व द हैंडीक्राफ्ट में ऑफ एनिमल. गोगा जी हैं 1003 AD एट ददेरवा चूरू में इनका स्थान है. सम पीपल चौहान कम्युनिटी जो है इनकी एंसेस्टर्स मान जाती. ही इज़ वर्शिप द जोहर पीर और द प्रोटेक्टर काउ एंड स्नेक. गोगा फोर्ट विद द मोहम्मद गजनवी फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ काउ. इट इज़ दैट दिस बैटल वॉज फेल ददेरवा चूरू. रिमेनिंग बॉडी फेल गोगा मेडी. तो इनका जो सिर था वो तो ददेरवा चूरू में गिरा and head was fell there and the remaining body in the Goga Medi. Hence these places are called the Shirch Medi and the Dur Medi. His main temple that is Goga Medi by the Ganga Singh village in the Rajasthan has a than dedicated to him. Than is always made under the khijri tree. A fair is organized every year as a Goga Medi from 9 dark half of Krishna Paksha of the Bhadra month. Farmer tie 9 coats Goga Pakhadi to their plough for good harvest. Gogaji symbol are the blue horse and the snake. Samadhi of Gogaji situated at Nohar Hanumangarh. Gogaji temple is called the Gogaji ki Oldie and the Janpari. It is situated at the Sanchor Jalore. Now his horse is the Neeli Godi, that is Gogaji. Mehaji, he was the born in the Pawar Kshatriya family and he was commentary of the Rao Chunda and he fought with the Muslim. He was the martyr when he was battling Rao Rangdev Bati Jaisalmer. His temple was the Bapani. So mainly Rao Rangdev of Bati Jaisalmer he was battling as a martyr and he fought with Muslim also. His temple is the Bapani Jodhpur and he is considered to be good Sakun Shastri. हिज हॉर्स इज़ कॉल्ड डोकड़ा एंड द किरण काबरा. किरण काबरा जो है वो मेहा जी का है. मेहा जी जो है राव चुंडा के कंटेम्प्रेरी भी हैं एंड क्षत्रिय फैमिली से ये बिलोंग करते हैं. नाउ रामदेव जी के बारे में तो सभी जानते हैं. ही वॉज द रूलर ऑफ द 14th century, said to have a miraculous power, upliftment of downtrodden people, society worshipped today by the many social group of the Ishta Dev and Ramdev considered to be the incarnation of Lord Krishna. Ramdev was the भाद्रपद शुक्ल द्वितीया को इनकी राम देरिया होती है. उदू बाय कास्ट एंड कश्मीर इन बाड़मेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में रामदेव जी वॉज ए तंवर, उनको तंवर कहा जाता है. ही इज़ कंसिडर्ड द कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑफ द मल्लीनाथ जी. ही लेड द मूवमेंट ऑफ द एक्सप्लॉयटेशन जामा जागरण. जामा जागरण में वो जितना भी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होता है उसके अगेंस्ट मूवमेंट जगाते हैं. He also formed the Kamadiya sect. No caste and they were treated equal. And legend like 5 peers होते हैं. Makka came to taste Ramdev power. Ramdev after initial welcoming request them to have lunch with him. But peers said they can eat in their personal utensils which are laying in Makkah. So they cannot have their meals. On this Ramdev smiled and said, "Look, your utensils are coming," and they saw their eating bowls were coming. And after being convinced of his ability and power, They paid the homage to him and named the Ramsha Pir. The 5 Pir who came to taste his power were the overwhelmed by his power and decided to stay with him. Tombs. In Rajasthan, Ramdev is considered chief deity of the Meghwal community. Ramdev believed in the equality of all human beings, and they high or low, rich, poor. He helped the downtrodden people. Wooden toy horses covered with the cloth are among most popular offering of the temple. The temple complex housing the resting place of Ramdev is located at Runecha, and the present temple structure built around the Ramdev was a महाराजा गंगा सिंह ऑफ बीकानेर. वुमेन ऑफ कामर सेक्ट तेरह ताली डांस करते हैं यहाँ पे. बोपा ऑफ द रामदेव जी प्ले द फर्ड एंड हिज लेग आर वर्शिप्ड. सो वीर तेजाजी, ही वॉज बोर्न इन 1074 AD एज ए खंडाल इन द नागौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान एंड माघ शुक्ला चतुर्दशी को इनका मेला लगता है. ही इज कॉल्ड दोलिया वीर. दोलिया वीर इज ऑल्सो द तेजाजी. ही इज कंसिडर्ड स्नेक डाइटी. तेजाजी इज सेक्रीफाइस लाइफ फॉर द रिकवरिंग ऑफ द काउ लच्छा एंड गुजरी. He died from snake bite. And Tejaji major Thana located the Sursura, Byawar and Banwata, Ajmer. And Sendariya is supposed to place where he was beaten by the snake. At the Parvatsar Nagore cattle fair होता है भाद्र शुक्ल दशमी को पूर्णिमा को. And Tejaji symbol of the horseback and sword and snake. Name of his horse was the Shingri. He is also called the deity of Kala Baba. Person would treat the snake bites at the than is called the Godla. Kallaji, he was born in the Samiyan Mirta. He was the Rathor. He was martyred fighting Akbar at the time of Saka Chittor. So he is considered the deity with the 4 hands. And Kallaji Rathod was the cousin of the Mirabai. And his principal seat is the Ranela. Talli Nathji, his original name was the Gangadev Rathod and his main worship temple was the Panchota Jalore. So he is the main deity of Jalore. He was the protector of the trees and son of the. He was also disciple of the Mali Nathji, he was ruler of the Mahoba and was born in Tilwada, Barmer. His main temple is the Tilwada. A big animal fair originated every year for the Chaitra Ekadashi in this for the Mali Nathji. And Buriya Baba, he is the worship deity of the Meena community. And in Nagore, Dev Baba, Dev Narayanji, people of the Gurjar community worship as a Lord Vishnu. He was born in the Bhagwat dynasty in Gurjar caste. His fard played a Gurjar Bopa Jantar folk musical instrument. His fard is the oldest and longest. A postal ticket was issued on fard. His samadhi is located at the Devmali village of the Byawar. His important worship temple was the God Dev Asind, Devdam, Jodhpuriya Tonk, Devmali Byawar and देव डूंगरी दैट इज चित्तौड़गढ़. फीमेल फोक डाइटीज़ भी है जैसे कर्णी माता. शी इज़ बिलोंग टू द चारण कास्ट एंड हर मेन टेम्पल देशनोक बीकानेर. कर्णी माता कुलदेवी ऑफ द राठौड़ एंड बीकानेर एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो पॉपुलर नेम ऑफ गॉडेस ऑफ माइस एंड रेट्स होते हैं इनके जिनको काबा कहा जाता है. शीतला माता दैट इज़ चाक्सू. शी इज़ फेमस फॉर द curer of chicken pox. She is the worshipper and disordered statue and people of the कुमार caste होते हैं जो कि worship करते हैं. ही मेन temple was शील की डूंगरी चाक्सू. The temple was built the माधो सिंह. So शील की डूंगरी माधो सिंह शीतला माता. Annual fair held in the शीतला माता चैत्र कृष्ण अष्टमी and donkey is the vehicle of this deity. Jeed Mata Revasa Sikkar. According to the inscription of the Harsh Mountain temple is the Jeed Mata built during the period of Prithviraj Chauhan I. Jeed Mata considered Kuldevi of the Chauhan. Kela Devi Karoli, she considered the Kuldevi of the Yaduvanshi and her temple was located at Tirkut Hill. And Sun song which is Languria lucky fair of the Kela Devi is held every year of Chaitra month of Shukla Ashtami. Sheela Devi that was Ajmer. Amer, she is the worship deity of the Kachwaha dynasty. Statue of the Sheela Mata bought the King Mansingh first and 16th century of the Jesod. Awad Mata that was the Kuldevi of the Bati dynasty of the Jaisalmer and Ashapura Mata. Ai Mata that is the Jodhpur. She was the Kuldevi of the considered to be the Navdurga. Naganechi Mata Jodhpur, Kuldevi of Rathod. Ashapura Mata Jaisalmer, she was Kuldevi of the Chauhan. And Tripur Sundari that was the Banswara and now Rani Sati that was the Junjunu, the name of the Narayani Devi and Narayani Mata that was in Alwar. and that was Alwar district. People of the Nai caste consider her as their Kuldevi. Tannotia Mata, her temple was situated Tannot, Jaisalmer. Sagali Mata, that was Kuldevi of the Thakur of Ahua. Dadi Mata, that was Kuldevi of the Dadich Brahman. And Choth Mata, that was a famous temple of Choth Mata situated Choth ka Barwada, Savai Madhopur. Sunda Mata temple deity situated Jalore. Jamuna Mata in Jodhpur, her temple situated the Mehrangarh Fort. ब्राह्मणी माता, शी वॉज द ओनली फीमेल फोक डेटी राजस्थान, बेक वर्शिप जिसकी पीठ की पूजा होती है ब्राह्मणी माता. पथवारी माता, स्टेचू प्लेस आउटसाइड द विलेज एंड शी इज वर्शिप एज ए सेफ्टी ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज. एंड इंडर माता, दैट वॉज इन द बूंदी. नकटी माता, दैट वॉज इन जयपुर. एंड जय भवानीपुरा. नाउ द चौहान डायनेस्टी को आशापुरा माता का वरदान है, कछवाहा को है जमाय माता का, चौहान को शकंबरी माता, बाटी डायनेस्टी तन्नोट माता एंड सिसोदिया जो है बाण माता को पूजते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट मातास. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फेयर्स एंड द फेस्टिवल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सो फेयर्स एंड फेस्टिवल्स भी करेंगे हम लोग. ओके, आफ्टर दिस